So Kisha is going to tell कौन गाय मन टीवी खेचो नो कतो पे दिया किसा वो कौन बाबा कौन तो
Mario.
मारियो ओके कौन तो बाबा
Mario.
मारियो ओके वो कौन बाबा वो तो कौन तो
Chile.
दिलीप कौन तो रे तो वो तो कौन हाँ दिलीप तो कौन होबो ना देखा है फराका नागे एक चैनल हा in that this guy who's working as a chef with him they get now दिलीप ये सारखे होगा था दिलीप कौन बाबा तो दिलीप हाँ ओके आंचे आनी कौन होगा तो यार वो कौन तो कौन तो मोदी तो कौन मोदी नो मोदी वो तो कौन
Mama.
आणि कोणा मामा कोण के मामाचे मामा दाखवते गेली मामा आणि कोण होती का
Dada.
हा
Mama. Nana.
नाना होत कोण
Apia.
कोण सांग बाय कोण तो
Apia.
यो सांग कोण तो बाबा सांग कोण तो लापिया कर
Apia.
लापिया इसको देते ओकदा शी रिमेंबर्स सम ऑफ द नेम्स उघडा सारा का त्या कोणा गेला तर मारियो गेला चो इथे त्या एक मोठा मारियो निको ओय आणि तो लापिया सर फ्रेंड आहे का कोण तो लापिया
Apia.
जय जगे मस्ती So guys, we have come to Range over here. I'm going to show you the Christmas shopping that we do this time. You Kasta pe it's a see this. Beautiful, isn't it? The vibe of Christmas is different. It is.
Different names.
This is
Your
a
name
Christmas
is there?
kitchen.
Your name is
My name is so rare that you can't find.
Anybody
Isaac.
who's Isaac. Your name is
Isabel, Isaac, Jack, Jamie,
Katie.
Jessica, Katie, Josh, Joseph, lot of names.
Ruby. This is nice.
Mommy and Daddy.
My name is Dinosaur.
And there's nice photo frames as well over here with names. Memory, Lucy, grandson, granddaughter, Abigail. Baby, Abigail, see.
Abigail, Kisha's second name. Wow.
Kisha's second name, isn't it? Kisha's second name is Abigail.
Hebrew, Father's Joy. See?
Hebrew.
Nice, no?
Yeah.
Sunfish, please. On some special services. Thank you.
Oh, the elf. Oh, he's moving.
That's one.
How much is that? Oh, yeah, Santa Claus is 120. Now, how much is the elf for? 6
70 pounds.
Yeah.
Everything is
For decoration. How much is that for? They're 12.50.
12.49 half price. 24.99 na hate.
120 pieces, ni?
Yeah.
So guys, say the range of having this Christmas deco.
It's for 25 pounds, but it's for 12.49. That's it.
That's good. Really nice, huh? This
I
is
like
nice.
This one.
Hey, this is. We need to buy this one,
Everything
yeah.
is there. See.
We need to buy this one. Okay, I want to show this. This is what I liked over here. This section is very good. So guys, show you all individual one of this. The lamp post. This lamp post is Santa Claus.
50 pounds.
50 fun for this one, yeah. There's a mini Santa Claus over here.
Also, ಇದೆ. Arano?
Oh, this is.
This one is nice.
Look at that, it looks so good.
It's 90 pounds. This is.
So this is for
That's
90, but this is a
actually-
big one. Those ones are less price, I think. They're 50 pounds
This
or
is
something.
90, this is 60, this is 40, this is 60 again. For a good price, huh?
Yeah, very nice price.
Okay. Oh wow.
And look at this.
See this. See this, see this. That side and come. Wow. My wow will start now.
Wow, good go. So you know, you feel like you want to buy everything.
You see this? So it's 1749 for this.
This one, isn't it? It
Yeah.
looks really nice. See. See this candle stands over here, like, you know, the artificial ones with the lights. But
Just 40 pounds.
yeah, see this one. This is for 40 pounds. Very nice, isn't it?
Yeah. This with the
And it pay. This are for 30.
Santa Claus is for 30. That's Santa Claus.
Beautiful, yeah, very nice.
Yeah, very cheap. 6 feet achi 130.
और माझे डेकोरेशन करपा कितले बरें हांगा भरपूर हांगा
All
बारीक बारीक
decorations are here also.
and small decorations are over here. So Santa Claus on Enfield. बुलेटचे भलो अशें डबल पिस्टन. So काय पण दिसतंय ते.
See this one. इसको बड़े gift के
Yeah.
cover है no?
Yeah.
Huh?
What is 6.99? 7 pounds.
7 pounds से.
Beautiful, see. So single also they have like 2 pounds each, I think, so no? Different price ranges. Very nice. Oh, yeah, that's it.
See? 4 pounds.
Actually, this one is so blessed. Actually, decoration hainga. Oh my god, look at this. Huh?
Artificial snow.
Artificial snow, yeah. Guys, look at this. So nice. It's a Santa Claus we have. That's a
Candles there.
yeah.
Overall,
Christmas candles. The old candle galpa no.
many hangers.
So here there are a lot of DIYs for kids for Christmas activities they can do. You can buy some of this very nice DIY things. Lot of things, personalized cards that you can make. Yes, a basket like and these baskets where people really wanted to buy. Here see baby. That basket pay.
Good. £3.
Think about it.
Actually, very nice. So we had just come to show you guys what's in range over here, what decoration has come. तुम दाखवले आम्ही आमगे येवपा मागीर शॉपिंगा करपाकू या एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ विल बी कमिंग विल डू सम ऑफ द
Wow.
शॉपिंग वाव हेगे आसतले ह्याक सारके पयशे घेवन येवपा कार्ड घेवन येवपा न्ही आनी सगळे उबारपाक वतले एनीवेज सो गाय होप यू ऑल एन्जॉयड इट्स गोइंग टू बी सम हेल्पफुल फॉर यू ऑल
Yeah, please do come. If
Yeah,
you
please do
have come
come.
to Swindon, I would
Yes.
love to visit here.
Yeah, if you all come to Swindon, because there are a lot of sales also going at this time in designer outlet. Probably if we can get a chance to go to designer outlet, we'll be going and making a vlog over there as well. So this is what it is, guys. So friends, here we are at the end of the vlog. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this vlog. Not much that only we could do in this because we are really sorry that we can't deliver a lot at this time because the timetable masa allola we've been lately lot of busy with things that we did not expect to come and Teklagon we could not make a lot of things and that's why we just could collect only few of these things from this vlog. Firstly, let me tell you all about the last vlog what we had uploaded and there many people might wanted to send us messages
Yes.
and comment on that. They could not comment किती अलावा किती झाले तो vlog आम्ही अपलोड केला त्यांनी स्टार्टिंग ते एंजला के फ्रेंड आहा पळय ते क्लासीतले त्यागे बर्थडे आसलो सो वी वेंट टू द बर्थडे एंड ऑल्सो एंजल भुरगी बी हेटा न्ही सो ड्यू आई थिंक सो फॉर दैट रीजन
Some kids policy.
yeah,
of
kids
YouTube.
policy. YouTube just came up with okay, we can't keep the when it's for kids, any kids channel, no, they what they say if you have kids channel, the comment section are always closed. So ours is not like a kids channel, but automatically YouTube has
Generated that. and-
generated like okay, because of certain policy we can't generate that. So ताका लागून आम्ही हे करपा पावना तेन्ना so sorry for that. That was nothing
The
that we
thing
could
is,
help.
I feel the Buriesh ko bob man dautali kite. So maybe because of that or kite, I don't
It
know.
is auto generated. It's not like the AI tools and all they caliber everything and through that it's been analyzed. I think so. It's not like usually human watch and they just analyze it. So auto generate jata hai kiti maybe some
So we tried to put it on the
Yeah.
comments, but मैं putun off zata le. So
Right.
we don't wanted any problem for the channel. So
na
हम
mate
last
isko
day-
abhi asta new
Yeah.
strike भी
So
पड़ा
that's why I had put a post so that if anyone wanted to comment on that or something.
Yeah, I hope it has helped a lot of them. And there was one comment on that, not on that post, but on the post what we had written that okay, we tried to contact, but the number did not reach. It's not the right number. Whereas that is the right number. That is the only number I contact with. So whoever I passed the number, also like people who know me personally called up as well. They text me on Facebook or Instagram. I did send them as well the same number. They got in touch with him. I got Inacio also said like thank you because a lot of people got in touch with him, asking, and that he will be able to help a lot of them. That's very nice. So, guys, in this vlog, what we wanted to show is, we wanted to show Christmas is coming up, and people are very excited. Christmas is the season that we always look forward for decorating our houses, ते स्वीट्स करपाक कितें करपाक तो वायबू एक दुसरो आसता आनी all this time we used to be in living in London at that time, and so Christmas थिंगाय चोयला आमी very nice. It's अशें न्ही की हें ना सगळ्यात बेस्ट क्रिसमस जाता तो गोंय जाता थोंय जायना सारकें ते गोंयचो एक वायबूच
And last year San Christmas aha inga because
last year we came here for Christmas, but आम तेन्ना येयले आनी आमकां तितली खबर आसना. So we did not know आमकां ते खंय रस्त्यार लिंगोयता टेस्को लिंगोयता आमी गुगल मॅप मानयताली. So now that we've been here for a long time, almost years or so, and we have seen. So we went to this place, Range. We heard. I had been with Angel one day, and that time I saw Christmas decoration is coming already. I said, okay, why not? Okay, let's show people, and a lot of people from around London alone or Birmingham, close by places, people who live in UK, they do come to Swindon to do shopping as well because of the designer outlet. A lot of, and that is Boxing Day also will be coming. So that is before Christmas anyway. After Christmas it is Boxing Day. So त्याच्या पयली sale भी लागता है. So people will be coming for shopping. So I said, okay, why not show people over this? Ki hinga range there is lot of beautiful
things. Yeah.
beautiful things like Christmas decor has come.
And worth the price also. Thodi marogna thing.
Thodi marogna. It's worth the price, I'm telling you. I'm London इतली ते पाहलो माग तेन एहली decoration दिसली पडना. Seriously, I never seen.
The quality of the product is nice. Cheap ash ना ते like certain वस्तू Poundland पासून मी होता है, but then everything has a quality. So इनकोडे long last जायना असतो.
Lights, everything was so beautiful. I mean, I can't I don't know how it will look on the vlog and how it's to explain you all in words, but if you all come personally and visit it, you all will definitely, I'm telling you, you will buy something or the other because it is worth of buying. Even those decoration boards I'm dakhwala the kiti soya lone baby.
Yeah. And it goes very fast because the other day I mean एक दिस गेलोली थिंग एक 200 pounds जाचे किती आणलोले same type like train and but that's not
huge,
there
very
anymore.
big it was.
Yeah,
it
that's
was
not
very
there
huge.
anymore. आणि आमक ते घेवपा जाय आलोले but then तेन्ना म्हणून I said no, we're not buying it
Right.
But please go if you all want early because December म्हणल्यार hardly get things.
Yeah, and here what happens in the UK, people all they start decorating their houses in the first week of December only. Lightings they start putting, they start decorating. The vibe starts in December.
Yeah, they start on the first Advent.
Yeah, first Advent start I think. So yeah, it's very good thing over there. I would say if you really want to go. Sorry for going some people कि मागत्यांचो एक सांगा गोंय कोण आहा तांकां मडगांव बी वचपा बरें हांव मडगांव घेता शॉपिंग मडगांव शॉपिंग ते बायबूच दुसरें ते मडगांव वचोन आमी शॉपिंग करता मारगांव people from south they know a lot from Panjim I don't know in north I don't know where it usually you do a lot of shopping for Christmas north आसा कोण चोयता आमी गोंयकार हांव सांगा तुमी north क्रिसमसाक खूंय शॉपिंग कोरता एवरीथींग कित्याक आमकां कांय खबर ना आमी सावथाची सो चडशे आमी मारगांव शॉपिंग कोरता मारगांव इज लायक द वायबूच दुसरो आसा भुरगे ते गाडी बी भोंवता ते साब येयलेलो भोंवताले कितें ती हे गो ती वाल बी सोडटाली ती सो व्हेरी नायस क्रिसमस या क्रिसमस हँगिंग्स लॉट ऑफ थिंग आनी ती गर्दी जाताली ती पळोवपाक इतली लायक ती गर्दी ती लोक ते क्रिसमस डेकोरेशन चोवपाक उमेद जाताली खूब सो ते भाशेन हिंगा एक मातशें तेसली एक वायब येयलोले हा सो गायज तुमकां एक सांगता तुमी योर ट्राय and see if you all can come. So guys, going forward with this vlog, there is something that we are planning on. There is something that we are trying to make on our vlog. Something nice and beautiful, entertaining, where we can learn and we can laugh at the same time.
Where we can connect also.
And where we can connect as well. Yeah, so... But in this, we can do it only possible if you guys support us and if you all be with us and if you all agree to the thing what we do, if you all just appreciate, if you all just go forward to say okay, with whatever the subject we do it, and it will always be a happy thing. We will be very happy. That is something we thought okay, that we can get connected to our people more we can get engaged because we get to know to each other
Yeah.
when people write to us. Today itself, we met one of our subscribers. We went to
Leader.
Lidl to buy bread and kidi leg yopa lole. So there was this young lady. Her name is Christina, and she just helloed. Are you K2N family? So very nice, Christina. Thank you so much that you helloed, and that's what, like, it makes us feel good, like, when somebody just comes and hellos and they have that happiness. They say, like, we like your recipes that you guys do, and I feel like, in every house there is a chef. In every house there's a home chef. Everyone is a good cook. Everyone has a signature dish of them, and for that, like, we have got taught something, and then we
We'll
will
be
come.
telling in the next
We'll
vlog.
be telling you in the next vlog what it is, and for that we will need your support and all the time, as you have always supported us. So, guys, looking forward for that support to start with a new adventure of our vlog to add. But definitely, we'll be having this kind of this naughtiness of vlogs also. But why we try to get vlogs, guys? To Muntoli, like, vlogs sada gaina ya chod delay data. Really, we want to get something genuinely.
Yeah.
Forcibly, we don't want to do anything. I don't want to get anything on the table.
Everyday thing, I don't know what to even shoot, like, you
Yeah,
know.
I mean, that is not like, I'll tell you, if we connect, if I'm connecting to you all or you all are connecting to me, it is, I'll tell you, in a daily routine life, we don't have that much of time with each other. You know that.
Yes.
When we have time, we have time. Like, okay, when we do special things, those are special things. But what we do an extra in this is only on those special occasions we try to do that shoot. I'm telling video करते. Especially like in a Garapas now, like what I'll do, and where will that people have a time to say? Because even everyone is working, everyone has everything priorities in life. You don't have that much of time to show, like, okay, to do this and do that, and nobody will get that thing. But that's what I'm
And
saying.
the
Like,
work schedules असले है कि हांव काम स्टार्ट करते तो ऑफ असता आणि तो ऑफ
yeah,
असता ना हांव काम स्टार्ट
it has become like that only. Like, mostly at the because, as I said, Nadia is the one who does the editing. I am the one because who does the video most of the time. But my full support is she. When she's around me, I can do anything and anyhow. But when she's not, so she's at work. हांव घरा पासता आमी कामां वयता ते घरा पासता आनी आमी कितें खंय वयता तेन्ना आमकां एक दीस मेवता the one day, that full day that we be there, that day what we can do. All the other days are like, okay, I'll be like half of the day with her. And can I outlook from my Garavas till afternoon? If I get up, then I'll be with her from afternoon until late night. And then I go to work after that. But in that, what shall I like? What shall I get on the table? So yeah, I should make something really interesting that you all should get connect to me. Because if I say K2N family, it is K2N family. I just don't want to get anything which is going to waste your time, just saying like, okay, why is this K2N family doing like that? So K2N family is something special place you all have given in your heart, and I always want us to have that special place in your heart. So that's why what we are trying to get it, whatever makes sense to watch at that point of day. So okay, worth of watching it, but बशीन. So at least I see एफर्ट पण आमी क्रिसमसा पण हाडला तुमकां सांगलें जायते बॅड केलें हांवें हय आनी हेणें फक्त आसन काडला आपणा गेले काय केला. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, stay tuned. Very soon we were going to announce you all for the next vlog what we are up to. But anyways, so now stay safe. God bless you all, and my final word to say
Adios.
adios.